The occupancy type setup allows you to define different types of room occupancy based on your school's accommodation system. These entries will be utilized later in the room structure setup, playing a key role in organizing room assignments more efficiently. This setup is especially helpful when allocating rooms to students based on their preferences or availability, whether it's single, double, triple occupancy, or dormitory-style living. To add a new occupancy type, simply click on the Add Occupancy Type icon. A form will appear where you need to enter the title or name of the occupancy type you wish to create. Once the information is entered, click on the Save button and confirm the process. The entry will then be securely saved in your school's database and will be available for use in future room management operations. You can continue adding multiple occupancies as required by following the same steps. To modify an existing entry, click on the Edit icon. If you need to permanently remove a shelf entry, click on the Delete icon. Using the Show Entries option, you can control the number of records displayed in the list. There are some more options from you can copy the entire entries, open them in Excel sheet, export it as a PDF, print it, or customize the column visibility as per your need. You can use the search bar to locate entries within the database instantly.